Welcome to the Brand Boss Show, empowering you to rock your brand like a boss. This show exists to share all the tools, tips, and secrets you need to maximize the impact of your brand.
Hi, I'm Rachel Jenks, Chief Brand Boss of the Brand Boss Studio. And today I am going to show you how to use a brand new Instagram feature called Guides. Now, this is a feature that Instagram rolled out earlier in 2020, primarily for professionals and Instagram accounts in the mental health space to allow them to share articles and things like that that they felt might be of value for people, surviving lockdown and things like that. So just this past week, they actually decided to roll it out to creators worldwide. So if you don't see that feature yet, stay tuned. It should be coming to your Instagram very soon. And in just a minute, I'm going to show you step by step how to actually create a guide. Because I will be honest with you, I went looking for how to do this and I didn't see any. And so when I figured it out, I thought, let's make a tutorial. So you're gonna learn right along with me. But first, I want to talk for a quick second about what are guides and why you might want to consider using them. Now, this information I am sharing is thanks to Ben Levitt, who has some incredible content all about Instagram. So I'm going to link him in the show notes as well. And I highly encourage you to go check out his YouTube channel, binge watch all of the things. It's gold. It's super valuable. But I learned this from him, that Instagram is a platform all about engagement, which kind of makes sense. We kind of know that. But the more people that interact with your content, the more people it's going to show it to. So whenever they roll out a new feature and people hop on board with what they're doing, it's kind of like, oh, hey, you're helping us. Well, let's help you. So they're going to share it. I almost said boost. I don't want to get confusing because that involves paid ads and things. But they're going to share it to more people. They're going to share it to more of your followers. They're going to share it, the chances of getting on the Explore page are higher. All of these things. And why that's so valuable is because as more people are seeing your content, more people are going to engage with your content as well as following you, which boosts the likelihood that your account is going to start growing very rapidly on Instagram. So that's the first thing to keep in mind. So anytime that anything new comes out on Instagram, this is why it's super valuable to hop on that bandwagon. The other thing that is very important to consider about guides, this new feature, is that Instagram needs to make money. They're a platform looking to make money. How do they make money? They make money through ads. How do people see the ads? By spending time on their platform. So anytime you can create that engagement and you can cause viewers to spend more time on their platform, Instagram is going to reward you. Okay, again, it's like you scratch my back, I'll scratch yours. If you are helping your viewers pay attention to and engage with content on their platform, they are going to want to show your content to more people because you're helping them do what they need to do. Does that make sense? So I just wanted to share a little bit of that background before we dive into the tutorial right here. And so the next thing is that if you think about guides like a blog, I think that'll be really helpful for you. Basically what it is it's a curation of posts. So that could be video, that could be stills. If you have an Instagram shop, you can actually share, you can create like a catalog of your products essentially to share with people. If you are an Airbnb, if you are a local business and you want to specifically promote some of your favorite restaurants or places to visit in your area. Maybe you're the SBDC or something and you want to promote, or the Chamber of Commerce, you want to promote some local businesses in your area. You can select places and that'll make more sense when you see it in a minute. But I just wanted to give you that little bit of background. So what this new feature is, it's called Guides. It's a curation of content, kind of like a blog post that allows you to share multiple pieces of content, multiple places, multiple posts, multiple products in one post where people can see it and interact with it all at once. You can also, once it's published, you can share it to your Instagram stories. You can DM it to people. So it becomes a very, very powerful tool. So with that background, without any further ado, let's hop right into the tutorial. And I thank you for giving me a little bit of grace on this because you're going to see me figuring it out literally right with you. But like I said, I looked for, how to create guides and I didn't see anything. So I thought, you know what? I'm figuring it out. Let me figure it out and share it with you. So I hope this will be valuable for you. Again, this is brought to you by the Brand Boss Studio, empowering business owners and entrepreneurs to rock your brand like a boss. For more information on all the ways we can help you rock your brand, check out our link in the show notes. And now let's jump right into the tutorial. I hope you'll find this helpful. All right, so see how it says create? I clicked on that plus button to create. You can create a post, a story highlight, an Instagram video, or an IGTV video, a reel or a guide. So this new feature is guide. So I'm going to click guide. Okay. And so now these are the different types of guides you can create. You can create a places guide. So if you are a local business, this can be super helpful because you could, all right, choose a place. So this is Binghamton. I don't know what is going on here. Oh my, let's choose somewhere else. Let's choose the incubator. There we go. So if I wanted to, I could create a post about things going on at the incubator. Yay, incubator. All right. Oh, hey, look, it's me. Okay, and so then you select your posts. And then for each one of these posts, see how it says, what is this guide about? So you add a title. So this could have been the networking meeting they have, which is Think, Link, Launch, right? And then this is the guide, like, hey, some highlights of networking at the Kaufman Southern Tier Incubator. Okay, and then I'm going to scroll down. And then for each one of these posts, I can do a title, a headline here. I can do a description here. And then let's see this together. I think it's got a bunch. It's like a whole carousel. Oh, these are all of the ones that I did. Oh, I guess that's how it works. Gotcha. So for each one of these posts, I can do a headline and a description, and then all of these posts are curated together. Now, what's this add place? What happens if I add place? So if I add, for example, vines to this, what happens? So we're going to pick this, and we're going to pick this, and we're going to pick that. And sure, let's do dessert. So now we come over here, and I have all of these posts, which now I've got, so these are all places, right? So this is the Kaufman Southern Tier Incubator. Now this is Vines, and I can edit the headline, I can edit the description, and it's got all of these posts curated for me. So now I'm curious, I'm figuring this out live in real time. Let's add one more. Let's add Strange Brew Grab and Go. So we've got some coffee, we've got some juice, we've got a friendly barista. Okay. So, oh, soup, just kidding. And a friendly barista. Oh, she's so sweet. I miss her. I used to go there quite often. All right, so then if I go to next, cool, then I can share it. So they appear in the guides tab of my profile. So here's the other thing you can do. You can also share guides to your story, and you can share them in Messenger. So I'm not going to save this one right now, but there's one example of a guide. All right, let's make another one. So this is where I think it could be most helpful for you guys. Products. So let's say I want to go to Honeybee Handmade New York. Uh-oh, where are you, Melissa? Oh, because you don't have an Instagram shop. That's the thing. You have to have an Instagram shop for it to work. Okay, well, we can do artisan gallery. So I could pick this as a post, and I could, say holiday ornaments. Check out our collection of handmade holiday beauty for your home. Something like this. And then I could add more products from their store. So now let's say, okay, so we said for your home. So here we can do painting. These aren't really holiday. Oh, that's kind of cool. We'll do that one. And then let's add one more. I want to go back to here, Artisan Gallery, BCAC. Sure. We'll do this painting. All right. So now for each one of these products, you can update the overall thing. So let's say you have a holiday sale going on right now. You can say, holiday sale, and you can post your different products. You can say a little description headline for each product. And so what it does is it curates your posts for you, basically. Just like you would put a bunch of things together in one article, this curates them all. So then this is a guide that right now is showing up on the Explore page. So if you're using your hashtags correctly, it can be shown to more viewers. All right, so then if I wanted to go next, you can share it to your profile, and then you can also, it has that little paper airplane button where you can share it to your stories as well and encourage people to go click on it. So that's a cool thing. All right, let's do one more. Guide. So you can do places, products, or posts. So let's say we've been doing a bunch of videos lately. So if I wanted to curate these videos that all talk about identity, I could say the key to building a successful brand, right? And then, okay, and then I can say tips to help you build a solid brand, something like that. And then see for each one of these, I have the video, I can update the title, I can talk about what the post is about, what the video is about. Same thing for this one. I'm thinking you probably add hashtags here. What happens if I add hashtags here? Yeah, it's right away picking it up as a hashtag, which is interesting. So I think that's where you add the hashtags. So then I can add more posts if I want. This is a guide. Gotta love that screenshot, by the way. Let's change that cover photo. What can we choose from? Not a lot of good choices. Maybe this one? I wonder if you can. Oh, that's better. It looks like you can add a cover photo. So, oh, there it is. So if we add that cover photo, then you don't have my crazy screenshot mug there. So then if I wanted to publish it, not ready to share. They have to have a title, a cover photo. Okay. And at least one post. Each post needs a title. Oh, not all of these have posts, have titles. Okay. So anyway, I'm not going to share this, but that is an overview of guides. So again, you go to your Instagram, you hit this plus button, which is how you create a new thing. You click on guide. You choose if you want places, products, or posts. If you want to do products, you have to have an Instagram shop. So make sure that your Instagram shop is set up or enabled. But if you do that, it's super powerful because then you can essentially create a product catalog is what this guide can be. Or if you are in tourism, you could, or want to encourage people to come to your location, you could do places and highlight local places that you love. Maybe you're in real estate. That could be a powerful thing. So this could be like a guide to, how they put out those guides about like, hey, why you want to move to this area? You could literally highlight that through places and do that as a guide post. And focus on some, or even for an Airbnb, this could be powerful too. You could highlight some local restaurants, some local places they want to check out right here. And then for posts, if you have a series or you want to draw attention to some various posts, you can take and create a curation of your posts right here like this.